Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna have something that's not really an ordinary type of video. It's like not the normal stuff that I do, but I decided to make it. It's about basically peeling an egg off like this. I'm Russian and we like to eat eggs basically with like a spoon sometimes, and not to boil them all the way. But the hardest part is always kind of like, where to eat it and how to actually pull the top off. I'm gonna show you something really interesting, guys. I'm pretty sure you've never seen this before. You've probably seen these things for sale, and you probably wonder, like, what's going on? Like, what is this thing? Because it does go up and down, and it looks like this inside. But it actually takes the top of the egg clean off. And this is actually how you do it. You basically just smack it like that. And then you lift up the whole egg like this. So you can kind of like, just kind of like pull on it like this. And sometimes you could pull the egg completely clean off, like that, see? And then basically you could start eating it, and you could also peel this portion as well. So let's try to do another one. But I thought this might be interesting to show, because if you guys bought this in the past and you wonder how to use it, this might actually help you. So basically lift up like that and you smash it. And you could actually pull on it. So like right now, like I really pulled on it, because they have pictures of it. It shows to you like how the egg is open up like this, and you could basically eat it. But I haven't seen like any instructions for these type of eggs. So boom, and then you could actually see like it's basically cut like all the way around. So let me smack it like one more time. So this one, not necessarily coming off pretty clean, because I smacked it a couple times and it basically cracked it all. But as you could see, like when it's a soft boiled type of egg, it's really hard to peel it, because it starts kind of like tearing up the egg and stuff like that. And actually to peel like this, it's easier done with a teaspoon. But I don't have one in front of me right now. I was just kind of thinking about doing that. But you could see this kind of like creates a mess. This is like not intentional, but it creates this mess when all you could have done is smacked it, pulled this whole thing off like that. And there you go. That's all for the video today. I hope you guys liked it. Hit a like if you liked it, and let me know if this helped you.